Hey guys, today I will show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. So first you have to find the white middle dot and you have to make the white cross here, but you have to make sure it aligns with these colors next to the white, as you can see. So you just have to, you see, here it is aligned and here it is aligned too. So you have to put all of the parts there. As you can see, everything is aligned with the side colors. And then you just have to solve these corners, these two corners, and you do that by pairing the colors and putting them in. It is a pretty easy process once you get the hang of it. And it is finished, as you can see. Now all we have left is the yellow and this line. So first, like you did on the white, you have to make the yellow cross. You do that by doing this. It is pretty easy. And then you have to turn all the yellow colors here. So the yellow have to be solved like this. And then all you have to do is fix these. And it is pretty easy. You just have to learn the algorithm, and I think for this one it's this. So as you can see, we solved the Rubik's Cube, and if you want a complete step-by-step guide, you can check the description, and it's free, so it's a free PDF. Thank you for watching.